Struggling to lose weight or maintain a healthy body weight, scientists have discovered a way to turn your fat cells into calorie burners. Researchers from UC San Francisco investigated a protein called KLF15 and its role in regulating fat cells. The research team discovered how to switch off this protein in white fat cells. This is the type of fat cell that stores calories. When KLF15 is switched off, the white fat cells, which store calories, turn into beige fat cells, which burn calories. Scientists created mice models where the KLF15 protein could be selectively deleted from white fat cells. With the protein absent, they observed how these cells reacted. The findings showed that when KLF15 was deleted from white fat cells, they behaved like brown fat cells, exhibiting increased fat burning and heat production. The transformed cells also showed higher metabolic rates, which indicated that they were burning energy more actively.